Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, KGFL Creations. Today we have unboxing. Yes, today is unboxing day. I got this box a couple of days ago, but I did not have time to do this video. So it was sitting in the living room in the chair there. So today is the day that I am going to open. I have my scissors here. I have my glasses with me so I can read. So now let's get going. Let's see. Well, it's a small box. It's the little small box. And as usual, it is smushed, but these boxes, I usually don't keep them, so that's okay. Let's see what's inside. Oh, the little card says Winter Wonderland. Wow, this is pretty. Let's see if you guys can see this. I have different lighting. I'm in a different position today. It's earlier in the day, so I have sunlight coming through the window, which is very unusual for me. I'm always in here at nighttime. Yeah, so I don't know if you're gonna be able to see it. If not, I'll just take a picture and put it for you. As usual, it says scan this code on your iPhone, on your phone or iPad to access the ebook. This is box number 34, and this month contains 2.5 meters of fabric, and there are 3 colorways. So that's nice. All right, so let's open this little package. All right, it's purple, the little covering. Nice and pretty. Let's see. Yeah, there's no way I always have to rip the paper open. Sorry for the noise, but that's the way to go. Ooh, there's a little package here. East of India. Let's see what's inside. Oh, everything is in here. There's a little cookie pack. It says Maryland mini chocolate chip cookies. This is nice. Self-cover buttons. Oh, this is interesting. I've never seen these before. They're different from the ones that we get here in the US. But this is interesting. There's 6 self-cover buttons right here. That's cool. And seed ball. Let's see what this is. Wonderland seed ball. Wild flowers for shade. Actually, little balls. Are these little flowers? Wildflower seeds in balls of clay. Peat-free compost and chili powder. Simply scattered onto bare soil. Seeds are naturally protected from being eaten by birds and insects. Keep well watered for seeds to germinate. Sprouts seen in 2 to 4 weeks. Chili powder deters slugs and snails from eating young shoots. Oh, these are wild flowers. This is interesting. Huh. Not sure if we're gonna be able to see this, but these are the little thing that you're supposed to throw on the soil, on the ground. Huh, this is interesting. All right. I'll see where I can throw these and see if they'll grow. I have to see if I have a pot or something, because I just don't want to throw them on the ground. But this is interesting. Very, very interesting. All right, what else is in here? Ooh, the color of the thread. Yep, purple. That's the color of the thread. I have not seen the fabric yet because this thing was right on top, so I have not seen it yet. So by this, we can have a hint. My camera froze. So I had to unplug everything and change the battery. And now there's some clouds going through, and I'm hoping that there's enough light coming from this window so I can finish this video. But now let's get into the fabric because I have not seen it yet. Let's see. Oh, wow. Oh, I thought it was gonna be actual purple, but it's not. Oh my goodness, you guys. This is just something. Let me take the box and throw it there. Wow. Look at this. It is blue. It's the blue background with yeah, lilac. These little bits here, lilac. Yeah, but to me, this is not purple. This is a blue background. And it's so, so pretty. Wow. As usual, my favorite color, you guys know, it is blue. And this is really, really pretty. I hope the camera does it justice. Wow. Now I am going to show this to my husband and to my daughter, and I will be right back. And hopefully the sun will be out and I have a little bit more light in here. Now that I think my light is coming back, I think the sun is popping out again. I did go and show the fabric. This pretty fabric right here. I did go and show it to my daughter and to my husband, and they both loved it. Really, really pretty. At first, I showed it to my daughter and I told her that the color of thread that arrived, let's see, I don't know if you can see it. It's not a match, because to me, this here, this is blue and this color here is purple. And it doesn't even match the lighter lilac. I would say this is a lilac color right there. So this here doesn't match, but that is fine. I will use blue on this fabric right here. I did go to the ebook, and it says, I'm going to read it here, put my glasses, it says it's 100% viscose. There's no stretch, and it's a 100% Ecovero trademark. Don't know what that is. It's 115 grams per square meter, and the width is 138 centimeters. So it is not a very, very wide fabric, but I think I'll be able to get a blouse out of this one. I don't think I'll be able to get a dress out of this, but a blouse will be nice, yes. So first thing I'm going to do, I am going to serge the edges as I always do. Then I'm gonna put it to wash, and then after that I'll decide what I'll do. I am going to post this video soon. I am not going to wait to sew this and then post it because I have other things that I have to work on. So yeah, I am just going to post this video of the opening of this pretty fabric here, and I'll just decide what I am going to do with it later. All right, if you guys liked this video, please hit that like button below, and if you can also subscribe, it will mean a lot to me. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you're notified every time I upload a video. I will see you on my next one. Bye.